photo. In my late 20s, early 30s for my sister, not long after her mother's death. Now, as far as my conscious mind viewed, I had never been on a farm, and yet there I was. I think that some part of me began to acknowledge that this farm and the experience of it had been inserting itself into my dreams for a good part of my life. But when I'd asked my mom about these strange and repeated dreams, she just brushed me off and ignored me. She said I had an overactive imagination. Hey, so there were different times in my life that curious things happened, cut so crudely. It was like it was cut with nail scissors, and it was a nice photo. And who could have been? That's me. Some part of my psyche, I guess, maybe a very active subconscious mind. I can't decide if I really like having her with me. Hey, I keep looking into her eyes, hoping she'll tell me something. Is she happy or sad? Can you tell me? Is she happy or sad? That there was a class action suit against a foster home around the time I was there. There were about 30 children, now adults, suing the home for abuse. I'm pretty sure I was one of those children. And sometimes I'd wake up gasping. I remember walking into a room, a living room, and I looked to my right, and there were two people. One was a man, and the other a boy. I think he was older than me. It felt like he was taller. And the man was speaking to me, but at the same time, I could hear a commotion from the other room. And I remember feeling conflicted. And I looked over at them again, and that boy seemed like he had a smirk on his face. I remember his dark hair, and he had this red coat. I really loved that red coat.
With long shadows, so it's a little bit later in the day, maybe after the chores have been completed. I remember a farm, and there were other kids there. And there were these kids standing there.
Yeah, I was quite interested in those long shadows.
And that's when I decided to run away.
And then, as if to confirm her outlook on life, my mother died a horrible death. She was
Stop. Voice is good. Voice is good. Can you just, oh, it's a photograph. Can you just tell me what's in that photograph?